Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone, and today we're going to be looking at a Broan 41000 series range hood, how to get at the controls and change the motor if need be. So the purpose of the video today is basically just to show you how the unit comes apart. The first thing you want to do is make sure anytime you go inside this electrical box cover, make sure the power is turned off. Turn that power off at the breaker box. This here is the light lens. Basically you just squeeze it and it comes out. It's got two tabs and each tab goes into this recessed area. This is the grease filter and this is the filter retainer clip. You can turn that retainer clip, filter will drop down. When this filter is dirty, this is a disposable filter, so you would basically dispose of the filter and put a new one in. This is the electrical motor. What I'm going to do, there's two screws holding that motor in. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these screws out. If you ever need to replace this motor, it's very simple. This is an easy hood to work on. Just remove these two screws. This motor will pull out. You're just going to grasp it. It'll pull out and it'll unplug. Basically it has a Molex plug that just plugs into the wire harness. So I'm going to go ahead and set that on the side. To get the electrical box cover off, there's one screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Once that screw's out, electrical box cover will open up. Parts bag, before you get it installed, if you're looking for the parts bag is always located inside that electrical box cover. Here's the wiring for the unit. If you ever need to replace a socket, you can grasp that socket, you can put your finger behind it, and you're just going to pull, and it just pops right out. And I just snapped it right back in. So it's pretty simple to do. The switch assembly, this is the fan speeds switch, and this is the light switch. They come out real easy. There are tabs here. The best way to do it is I always just bend the tabs back like this, and then the switch will pop right out from the top and you can put a new one in. The connectors are all push-on terminals. So very, very simple. There's really nothing to this unit. I hope this video helps. Thanks.